Hi, and welcome back to the Intella Parts Company YouTube channel. My name is Paul, and today I got a Hyster H50A here for you. Now you might be wondering what H50A means. In today's video, we're going to show you how to properly identify your model and serial number and what those numbers and letters actually mean. So what does your Hyster model number mean? In our example, the truck we showed earlier was an H50A. That first letter identifies the series of the lift. In our case, it's an H, which means it's a pneumatic tire IC truck. The next two numbers, well, those are your capacity. So in this case, we have a 50. Multiply that by 100 gives you a 5,000 pound lift capacity. The next letter in this is going to be your generation of the design series. So in this case, it's an A, which is a first gen version of this forklift. Now this one doesn't have any numbers following that A, but some trucks do. You might have like an XL or XM. Starting in 1957, Hyster forklift serial numbers come in 4 parts and give information about 4 different things: the design series of the forklift, where the lift was manufactured, the production sequence number, and the year that it was made. On our Hyster, we have a serial number R177V03230X. So what does all that mean? So let's start at the beginning. R177. This number is called the design series. Sometimes it's called a serial prefix. It's the first letter number sequence in it. Basically just tells you what series your Hyster is. Now the second letter in our case is a V. That tells you which plant it was manufactured at. In this case, Brea, Kentucky made this forklift. The next 5 numbers are the production number. So this production number was 03230. And that last number is your year identifier. So in this case, we have an X, which makes this a 2024. Now, hopefully, you can properly decode your Hyster model and serial number. If you do have any questions, give Intella Parts Company a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, or hop on our website, intellaparts.com, and use our chat function and talk with one of our experts. We'll help you identify any questions or comments or concerns and help you get the right parts right away. I'm Paul from Intella Parts Company, and I will see you on the next one.